Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But as usual, before I go into that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the other products of the week and all our videos that we've got coming up soon. Okay, so this week's product of the week are the Beaverdale wine kits. Now I've only got 6 here, but there are 16 different varieties in the range. And our offer this week, using the code POTW, is you can order 2 of these and we'll give you 10% off. So it could be 2 of the same, it could be 2 totally different kits, but as long as it's 2 of the Beaverdale 30 bottle kits, using the code POTW, you'll get yourself 10% off. So if you fancy getting yourself hold of a 30 bottle wine kit that makes really, really good wine, I've made quite a few of the Beaverdales and they've all turned out really, really nice, very easily drinkable and true to the style. So, yeah. Use the code POTW this week until midnight on Sunday and get 10% off when you buy 2 or more. Anyway, cheers for now.